Make us finally, yes, 2026. But I saw a dream about 12:10. Me chairman will be a happy new year. Why? Who 7 years getting Ketia, maybe rain, now my farm commission. Me pa my chow, yes, 2026. Munti and Kaibina Musadenso. Me, na me team legal wife president, me na winning. Then so, Bible see be our neighbor. And then, yes, 2026. And my men, sis will be, my Mako said that Lumba, my men to Asem Nibu. Tiwaa, Tien Kaibai, National so. 2026 when I'm CSC, and there wada. Oh, sorry, I also don't go now, but now to I transfer brave, Mesrao, and my men Tibium, me say, yes, 2026, Tiwaa, compared you may be a so good. What a so good repaired maybe, and Metraho, and it is alleged 99.999, Mr. Ramo, and they came with Jesus Christ to him, Mr. Tiwaa, Jai, Diana Woyano, Mr. Jai, yes, 2026 with Jai, because in Toka would you brave, and only some for be, and no one will be able to say Tiwaa Crampono, ya, Castle walk away in near the Adeno, Ghana for the Tiwaa, Mimisawne, say, and Biao. Say, it was so whatever here, and I heard name one of Ujay. Pacho, now bagan if you be Nanano Henity. On say, in attending who own a tire too. Italian Pacific who are treasure, as some ye cabia, ye chasso, didn't see Kajabino. And to break, Mistro, Yenina, Nani support my Serwaa. Still, Obian in mind, but medical catch or say, the old few, the old show, never say, when I'm to be. To say, yeah, who yes, would your old fire, yes, so he knows of a mimino, Kamakon could be some bar. We are confined a sin or wiring, and no crown subsidy would time one, and umpon according to information, Mayano, and I mean, young never maybe I made a could according to information, Minya crown, one our place, Lanky and Wallow, so I say, Miss Row, may say Massachra, Tim breaking news to be a Patracha say, breaking news to be a Pacho, Miss Row. So, oh, say, yeah, I will be dear, who did you walk a close way, then, Miss Row, and quiet near some from a camp or Heno. Miss Row, meaning what me wounded that, and Kadami Huno, no one in Chen, no could be say, breaking news, no, a your dear, one what's not there, mother, and now if you be and one or two, Patogana for the petty, and to say, yeah, Sabi would one person become what dear, the so chasso, Mamma was say, wow, who do renew, and a first. January, Pacho, there will be a 2026 moon years, it may Pacho, no breaking news, breaking news be here. Probably breaking news on Asem Beto, me I met him legal wife, president, Mabekasa, anti case cruise, Mabai.
Baby, I mean, Satia and say, Oko Fiono, a dientina, or a sister be Pamono, sister Bay, a sister Presla. Now, who carving what I say, woman will open Asem. On Pemo Asem, or ye pretender, papa, or ye, and then Russia Sapo pay out Baku. Or share where ye na so cheer despite you coach and a champon we no. I bet ye see a Dunketieri. Now make our name one Kunania, who na say so ye Kunen, who say Kotoko to now, who say I don't get it. Oh, we are Sabet.
That's all. Or Kotu no be review until about Kotua the PF review.
It was cheer a despite cheer and a champon me and I may say shepa. O we okochia esi edunketia no satan ne ho o tane ne ho no start crocodile tears etu odi bana wodi ana police ni bi so guiding na maami bi guiding o we o sabe koto despite o ebiem eti se who despite so we kasa na ukate uni modobro ni a ana se chese wo nhada ne nye close uni ni closure e ho ni nyina papa no me so oboa ti despite so mra out na efunu na oso ohwe no o me hu se na ye lumba na enye lumba ana on sa mo aye se ye funu we ye cops na we o ye legend ye re infinida me ni nyankopon nyuma na otunya enu anyina metie eyi awrade yesu ye twen wo ohine eminya metie ana chese mi susa eye meja me de me mfa woni atrocity a waye ni de waye bia but ase lusu aye lusu no me de ye meya eti no omum fire body mleye you omum fire body ana police for no omum guide no me ntu omasi o eti omu ni djuma papa bi edi omu ni djuma machi anti agrada ade akotum ses waye fraudulent na you say Lumba so ni case ni hu ni say a murder case because any murder case why are you why did you prevent the sister from doing autopsy when you know it doesn't make sense and so yankrofo bu organ no mo kebima presla ene na pamfo It's Nana JB, to be honest with you, and you maybe inquire my movie no. Yentinye may be ase. Conspiracy no too much. Too much. It's immediate me some time me 5 minutes now so dia. Ba ase mentinye may be ase. Ba omunya no mu fa ye funu maye. Efunu no de ye hia. Autopsy no mu di dwane dia me minim. Ana ye cheso obi IGP o se hwan mo aso obi aye muted. Our president is muted. Everybody is muted. I don't know what's going on. I don't get it. I don't get it. Ya denya ni still enkrofo ba hye ya maame. Minim de omo pa free ya maame ho. Ya maame nti onye hye kura. Come to think of it. Mosi ya maame okuta fake marriage certificate. Ba meanwhile wo pese o ma no omunya German book na da acho mo be German. Na when na papa no ebe ye German citizen ma nkra ni be derive German book no. Ade nipa ye tiri mo odensa. Mosi ya maame enana metie Jean Yesu bo seden. O se wi o sa be baba kekra. Na o analysis anom ye na me de. Se wo lawyer fati, usu ye Lumba lawyer. Eye de na asa koye abusia panyi ni odobro ni lawyer. Adia we nyina neutral. Na later wa ba be ready we la ma ye di ma akosu chini asa age dia na. Enti I don't get it. We a lawyer kra na senkrofo we behind wa. Kasa de be say we neutral. No matter what. Na nko so nkopre omo a lawyer. Eni adia wo so wan kasa ma Serwaa so. Enti a nyina me huni se bi as a tribalism bi racism bi wom. Ye nyina ye Ghanaians but racism sa wo maintain ye mebiase. It is an mudia. I don't get it why lawyer Fati will fight for Odobroni and Ebushapeni at the same time. I will represent a woman. Now we are calling itself as Lumba lawyer. I don't get it.
Ebushapeni no. Ana mama kusia ene Odobroni so de no. Enyo omo ne defend Odobroni.
Right. My last submission sana mama obi Swakasa. Almost obia stay away from estates and properties no. So why is it that Odobroni ni abema atano or one of the houses a Tantra Hilo said I don't get it's not fair. And why is it say Odobroni suti is legon? Na ma dear. So also okay okoshasa sibikura and one day almost won't stay away. So what is going on here?
Obia kanche bema nso ntumfifio. So I say
me pese me bisa say sentiment say Odobroni bla no obetwa sime.
You also omuhunene say their cause no injustice has been served. And because injustice has been served in Tino, people will not be satisfied. And when people are not satisfied, they create mess. They create chaos. Rather than blaming the woman no tini baby, me tell you say on social media. But people are fighting. Well, you don't have to go through what she's been through to be empathetic. Say, where me yonku ba, me yonku nipa. Yeah, the say ni dino. Nobody me. I don't. Nana so Odobroni what I know. What I know, Nana. Nobody hates her. One time, I don't think say or more kwa mama say one they hate the girl or the lady. Nobody hates her. But baby, I no credit. No one fan to one man. No matter what you do, there will never be peace. I'm going to say only Obaa. Now unim so Obaa, women are emotional beings. Of course, yeah, rational, but emotions they are not that ekonyama bebrim. Now only Obaa Asem and shove it down the carpet. Thinking say they are a free nimu. There be you are accumulating it, that will be exploding, no, even worse. And I think say when during the court proceedings, no lawyer Kusi said something. Say if they don't rule in the favor of Serwaa, there will be a lot of chaos. I think he said I saw an interview. He said something to that effect, and he was right because the Omungun is the tip of the iceberg. If justice is not served, de bia nkofo be kasa wo TikTok nkofo be di atem obi ba be ka bia ma obi edi natem ebe yese ya she omuko court she said na people were even willing to fight for the woman me nkasa wo TikTok so that but because of Marcus I'm talking on TikTok. So it's not because mamine tria obika and you kwekumenu you sit there with your hypocrisy say mame no there are a lot of people are disrespected a papa despite what about abe call Asem a fear shots nega sebe or no cry aye ejuma ohoda pull the man through the mud? Did you come out to tell her, say, Onjai? The times now in comforted despite media, Dima Mia Kosia Sewatem, arrogant girl like MCI Eboa, can't sema hunya. Or to sometimes as or casting insinuations, but only the oppressor or can against the woman. Did you come out to say anything? Now Obia Babonte